Guys, it is Christopher over at Funtown RV, and do we have a treat for you today? Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on the Aspen Trail 2310 BHS. Guys, that BHS is going to be a bunkhouse, right? So, and a super slide. That's where your S is going to come in. So there are so many amazing features all packed in, and we're going to cover them today. Let's take a look. All right, guys, right up front, we're gonna have our power tongue jack. So this is gonna be an awesome feature to have. You don't have to hand crank any of that motion that you don't have to worry about. It's all gonna be power. We have a light on the front, so that's gonna be good if you're hooking up at night or maybe you just need some help backing up. Don't worry, it's gonna be lit up for you. Right behind that, we have our dual propane tanks. So that's right, dual, guys. There are 2 propane tanks. Whenever you come to your delivery center, pick up your camper, those are actually going to be filled. That's right. With Funtown, no hidden fees, and we have all those extra benefits included. So that's the 2 propane tanks, our marine grade battery right here, and then guys, on this Aspen Trail, check out right here, there is a battery disconnect. So that's going to be great whenever you have it in storage or you're not using it. You don't have to actually go in there and disconnect the battery. You have that little switch, you're able to do so. It makes it super easy. All right, guys, first things first, we have our pass-through storage. So check that out. It's not magic. It's actually magnets right here, so you don't have that little clip, so you don't have to worry about anything catching, snagging, or holding it. You're good right there. And then check out the size of this pass-through storage. Tons of room. You have your light inside, so you're able to see whether it's day or night, and bring all those little extra games and fun in there, so you're able to pack all that fun and take it to your campsite. All right, guys, right here, this is the Solaire 12-volt power awning. So that is huge that it's 12-volt power. Reason being is whether you are actually hooked up to that shore power, hooked up to your truck, or maybe just running off the battery that's already on the camper, you're actually able to open and close this awning. So no matter where you're at, you're able to use the functionality of the camper. Guys, right here, this is gonna be extend and retract. You're like, what are we extending and retracting? This is gonna be our power stabilizer. So that's huge. So you're not having to sit down here, hand crank anything. Don't worry about it. All you do is you get one of your landing blocks that you can find in our Camptown stores. You put it right under your leg, and then we extend this out. That way the trailer is nice and stabilized whenever your family's in there having fun, going to sleep, or even watching a movie. Everything's safe, nothing's rocking around. So guys, check out this Lippard solid step. So super easy, we lift up, so no matter what terrain you're on, you're able to adjust each leg individually. With this little button right here, you pull out and adjust your legs. So whether you're on uneven terrain, maybe actual having pavement or dirt or anything, don't worry, you're able to adjust to whatever height you need to get to this closure point, what you're looking for to get that safe entry into your camper. Whenever we're done camping, we put it up just like this, pull our safety latch, and it is secured in there. You don't have to worry about anything beneath the camper, and we're able to close the door. All right, guys, check this out. I love the extra feature that they added here. Not only are these marine grade speakers, but we have those lovely looking LED lights. So that's gonna be awesome at the campsite. It's nighttime, you're having fun, listening to music. Well, guess what? It's lit up too. It's setting that mood and that atmosphere for more fun. Guys, when I told you whenever we started that there were so many awesome features packed into one, this is one of those amazing features. This is a Furrion tankless water heater. That's right, guys, I said tankless. You know, you hear about all these in the houses and whatnot, and then on luxury $100,000 and $200,000 coaches. Well, guys, Aspen Trail put this awesome Insta hot water heater in this amazing bunkhouse camper. So it's all about having those amenities at home on the go with you. All right, guys, on the outside, of course, we're gonna have this outside kitchen. So we have the griddle. Of course, you can use the griddle top. Whenever you need to, you flip it right over and you're able to cook with a pan. So easy peasy, just like that. And then, of course, we have our outside fridge, and right below there, we have our controls for our rear stabilizers. As we continue on to the back side, right here, we're gonna have our outside shower, and then our city water connection right there. We have the spare tire right here. Right above that, we have you are pre-wired for a rear camera. So you get with one of our Camptown associates, they can go over the different screen sizes you can add on, but it's all about keeping the family safe and keep having fun. So whether you're backing up or eliminating that blind spot as you go down the road. All right, guys, one of those amenities that we were talking about, this is a slide topper that is already included in that low price. So it's a great feature to have. It's gonna protect the top of your slide, make sure no water or anything is getting inside, and it's all about the protection and longevity of your coach. We just took a look at the outside of the camper. There's so many jam-packed features we're about to show you on the inside. Let's go take a look. All right, as soon as we get inside, we have our control panel right here by the door. That's gonna be able to control our slide, our awning. We can see our tank levels, where our Bluetooth connection is, and then control our master control for lights. So we can turn all the exterior, interior lights on with just a press of the button. All right, guys, they have positioned it perfectly. So TV will be mounted there. That's where you can add your TV. See one of our Camptown associates for a TV and TV mount. Hookups right above. And then, of course, right below that is going to be our stereo control right here. So whether it's controlling the speakers inside or outside, you're able to do so all from right here. And then our fireplace right here. So this is going to be an awesome feature to have. So electric fireplace that actually produces heat. It's not all about the ambiance, but that is a huge plus. You're able to have that heat to help heat your camper in those colder months. All right, as soon as we walk in the camper, we're going to have the spot for your TV with our hookups right above. And then right below that, we're going to have our stereo controls, controlling the speakers inside and out, and then also be able to run your audio from your TV whenever you have that hooked up. And then we have our fireplace that not only gives the ambiance, but also produces heat. So that's going to be an awesome feature to have whenever it's in those cold winter months. You're actually able to help keep your camper warm. All right, guys, I have an awesome feature to show you. We've all seen a jackknife couch before, right? Folds down, makes into a bed, gives you that extra sleeping room. But there's certain features that you would normally lose whenever you do that. Aspen Trail made sure that you're not losing the features of a recliner just by having the jackknife sofa. So again, you're able to sit here, relax. Both of you are able to recline and enjoy your TV. All right, guys, we're in the kitchen now. Check out how deep this sink is. Tons of room in here, but not just in the sink. We have tons of storage room above, below. Right next to that, we're going to have our gray stone microwave. Our cooktop right here with the 3-burner stove. Our oven. And then, of course, right next to that, we're going to have this humongous Everchill fridge and freezer. Guys, check how much room is in there. Right above me is going to be our first AC. That's right, I said first. There are 2 ACs in this camper. The first one, of course, is going to be in here. The second is going to be in that master bedroom. So it's all about making everything cozy and comfy. So if you like it a little colder at night, no worries, the bedroom's taken care of. Guys, right next to the kitchen is going to be this humongous U-shaped dinette. So tons of room. You can fit everybody around this table. But guys, other than just sitting here playing games, cards, or just eating your nice meal, you're able to fold this down and it makes into an extra bed. That's right, guys. There is so much sleeping room in this camper. It's unbelievable. Also, I want to show you that we have the blackout shades throughout the camper. So whether it's daytime, nighttime, if you're trying to catch some Z's or maybe just chillax a little bit, you're able to put down those shades, cool it off, relax, and enjoy your time. All right, guys, check out how awesome this bathroom is. Not only having the storage above and below, but this humongous shower here with the shower curtain and head space above. All right, guys, before we actually get to the rear bunk room, look, they are putting storage everywhere. This is a great pantry. So all your canned goods, anything you need to store, they're able to put it in there, keep it closed while you're going down the road or just while you're at the campsite. We're in the bunk room. Look how much space. We have the pocket door right here. We have our sofa that folds down into a bed, our cup holder. So whether the kids want to have the TV there, enjoy some fun. We, of course, have the bunk above me, straight above me, to the side, and then there's another one right next to me. So guys, there are 4 sleeping areas in this bunk room. So much space, so much fun, and then also the spot for the TV. I mean, I don't know how they packed all this fun into this Aspen Trail, but hey, those guys are doing a great job. All right, guys, we're in the master bedroom. Here's that second AC I was telling about you earlier, and then tons of room on both sides. We have a drawer. We have a tabletop on both sides. We have our plugs, so much room. We have our lights right here. So maybe one of you wants to stay up, read a book. Don't worry. You're able to turn off the other lights, set that mood, able to read a book. And then whenever it's time to wake up, we have all the lights on, ready to have that fun. On both sides of this awesome room, we will open up and you have hanging room. And then right underneath the bed, there is storage. So guys, again, so much storage is unbelievable. Guys, this awesome Aspen Trail 2910 BHS we just did this amazing walkthrough on. Make sure to comment with any questions you have, like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.